So hi guys, it's Casey here and welcome back to my channel. So today is July 21st and it's a Saturday, and if you've seen my last vlog, you know that every Wednesdays and Saturday until August something there will be like fireworks competition, and the last time we went it was really amazing. It was memorable actually. So today since it was held like near the bridge, and we watched under Jean Cartier Bridge, am I saying that right, here in Montreal. And what we're gonna do tonight, instead of going back to the place where we watched last time, we're gonna cross the bridge and watch it on the other end, because they said it will be a better view there and less people, so really excited. And today actually they said it will be Philippines that will be representing or like showing off the fireworks, so I'm quite excited but nervous at the same time because I've never watched our own firework show, so I hope it will be good. So right now I'm just fixing myself, and also my sister and my mom as well will eat dinner soon, and I'm also editing actually right now, so I'm a little bit tied up on my time right now, but it's gonna be okay. I'll bring you with me guys again today. Alright, so it's 8 p.m. now, 8:05 to be exact, and we're getting ready because
we're gonna go in the fireworks.
We're not going to the fireworks, we're going to the fireworks show. Woohoo! Are you excited? Oh look, sorry I got distracted. Our guinea pig was just
running around.
The other one stayed in their house and he likes to walk around.
It's because the small one has a baby on her tummy, maybe.
Yeah, so that's why she always needs rest.
So she needs to stay home and eat a lot.
Yeah.
And sleep.
Alright, so are you ready?
Yeah.
We're going to see the fireworks. You know, the fireworks show tonight is by the Philippines.
Oh.
And we'll see if it's okay or what.
I love you very much.
I love you very much. What? What? Why are you making that face? She's such a comedian. Okay, we're getting ready now. So we're going so whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't slip.
It's a very tall mountain.
Yeah.
Your